All right, now that we have our Vodafone bill in Albania, let's go pay the bill. Let's see how this works. Sorry for the pauses in between there. Continue. Pay bill. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it wants me to tap my card to the phone. So I'm doing that. Oh, let's see. Tap your card. Send me a link. Alright, so the tap thing I don't think worked. So let's do the link thing. Alright, let's go out there and see what this is. Text. Link. Purchase amount. $19.99 like. Let me make sure that that is correct. $19.99. $24? That doesn't make sense. Okay, so that number is correct. I was just making sure it was not overcharging me for something. Yes, continue. Place your card flat against the back of your thing. All right, so let's do that again. All right, the card's there. If nothing happens, try moving the card to a different position. I got it. Let's see what that does. Verification complete. Now what? Okay, whatever. Okay, so I guess that worked. Return to my bill. And that's how you pay the bill. On the Vodafone app. On my phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Yeah, I know, it's old as old gets, but whatever. It works just fine. And I can make videos like this. Period. LOL. You guys have a great day. Remember to subscribe and share and comment. And thanks for coming along on the ride. Welcome new team members, subscribers to my extended family. I really appreciate you being here.